afford it. Yeah.
So if I go to Tesco, I will. Choosing a wine is always you have so many options. But since I've had wine from Chile before or Argentina, I like South American wines more than the European wines. So I'll always opt for it. So
That is true, yeah. And I think that's how your liking stems from your background in taste, your taste palette that you've developed over the years.
Because then that relates to the kind of wine, because the climate in Europe is completely different. That's why the taste is different.
No, the taste is different.
Yes.
But there are people who like Hungarian wines. There are people who like Russian wines. There are people who like Sri Lankan wines. You like South American wines. But that doesn't mean that she will also like South American.
No, I am talking about myself.
Yeah, so that is what the basic project is, right? That if you were in my wine club, which wine would you like? If she comes to my wine club, which wine will she like? I don't want to give you both the same wine because I don't want her to be unhappy just because you will like it. So based on this tour, you will tell me something about yourself and I will say, okay, for you, this is the wine which I think is the best. You may take it or you may not take it. I'm not restricting you. It's my suggestion.
Yeah, but what I am trying to माझा काय problem है कि what parameters will we get down to?
That is part of the project. That's part of the
That is something that my research will tell me that, okay, these are the categories that you should consider while deciding what kind of wine a person would like. That is something I can't decide right now without research.
Yeah. You have categories and you have parameters, right? So for certain categories, how do you come to that category and what the parameter will be? If I ask...
So if I come to you and say, suggest me a wine, what are the questions you will ask me?
I don't know. That is my problem.
I know what questions will you ask me. Do you need wine for this occasion? Do you want to have wine for yourself? Or there will be questions like this.
I'll tell you what I am interested in asking you. I am interested in asking you, do you like classical music or do you like
Hip-hop.
Or do you like heavy metal? Do you like, which is your favorite color? Is it black or is it blue or is it red or is it pink or is it fluorescent? Do you like spicy?
I'll tell you something, like the whole intention of doing this is to build a character, and depending on that character is how you decide what kind of wine someone would
If
drink.
the questions that you had, right, if the people knew the answer to those questions, they would not need to choose the wine, they would know. The questions that we are asking are to understand what he is, not what he's saying he is.
No, I am saying that I am coming to you to suggest me a wine for a specific reason. Like, you would probably suggest me...
But that is not what you do.
No, but now what you're telling me is that म्हणजे तुला कळलं मी समज एकटा आलो तर तू मला ॲनालाइज करून मला जी वाईन आवडेल ती हे करतोय.
But नाही, तू डिस्क्राईब करणार की the kind of person I want to gift it to is a bubbly, cheerful girl. She likes pink, she likes this, whatever, depending on the character. And then we tell you, okay, you might enter your own details as well, but the whole point, like the whole basis of this exercise was to, like, it's very difficult to gift someone a wine because it's such a varied area. There's so many options to give, and everyone, because of that varied area, has an acquired taste to it, to wine. So you like a certain kind of wine, you like a certain kind of wine. So if I have to gift you a wine, I don't know your acquired taste to it.
The first thing you need to do is just understand wine.
That's true.
Like, just understand wine. Like, you should remember.
That's why the project is so much fun, right?
No, so me and Nidu for about a year when I was doing my thesis, we used to just drink wine. मी माझा thesis wine वर केलाय म्हणजे wine पिऊन आणि wine वर सगळं घेतो. But I studied more of the industrial part of it, like how the process is and all of that. What are the types of grapes that, and it was very Indian specific. तुला माहित आहे ना माझा thesis का? पण beer आणतो मी. अजून एक same.
It's a good project. It's a good project.
It is. It's very interesting.
And you can actually sell it. If you go to Sainsbury or something, I'm just making it up. But if you go to Sainsbury and you tell them you've got 5,000 bottles of wine, if someone comes to you, they don't know which wine to buy. and you come up with some sort of tool, इकडे बाहेर जसं तुझे photo काढायचे, something like that.
You know what I had in mind? Like, I mean, I didn't want to do an app at all. Okay, I don't want to design an app at all. I hate apps. What I want to do is maybe like something more than exercise. It should be like a game, maybe. So one, like a very traditional way to do it is an infographic. Okay, but it might be kind of limiting an infographic. Secondly, I was thinking like those dress-up games that are there. There are these like games like little girls play where you can dress up a character based on maybe you can dress up like a character to be a doctor who has like long hair, whatever. You can you actually assign characters to her. Okay, and there are a lot of things, not just dressing up. There are a lot of things to her, like the kind of bag she carries and everything. So you end up developing a character, right? You give it a persona. So maybe I was thinking like doing something like that. Maybe you can develop a persona which would be closest to the person you're gifting the wine to. And so once you develop that, then we'll suggest the kind of like the app, whatever, the software just analyzes everything.
And what is the outcome going to be for this project? Do you have to actually make it? Do you just have
No, I don't have to. I don't have to. I mean, it would be great if I make it.
How long do you have?
But this, like what I'm proposing, the solution, would take ages to make.
Yeah. How long do you have?
I have a month.
That's it? You said you want to meet once a week. Once a week is going to be enough?
At least once a week. At least I'll have to meet once a week.